Hi everyone, my name is Bethan and I'm going to be talking to you today about all things Gua Sha. I'm going to introduce you to Charlotte Tilbury's new magic Sculpting Gua Sha Tool. Now a lot of you might be asking, what is Gua Sha? Gua Sha is a massage technique originating from ancient Chinese medicine. It often uses a smooth stone like this. Gua Sha contributes to healthy looking, glowing skin that will have you looking snatched, lifted, depuffed and defined. And who doesn't want that? This is what Charlotte's magic Sculpting Gua Sha Tool looks like. It's designed as the iconic lip shape. What I really love about the iconic lip shape is all these different grooves hug into all the different contours of your face, giving you that lovely looking sculpted effect. Before I start my Gua Sha routine, I like to apply some of Charlotte Tilbury's magic cream to the different areas of my face, like so. One of my favorite things about this product is it's super rich and hydrating, and it makes sure that Gua Sha can glide seamlessly across the face. The first move that I'm going to show you is going to work on the jawline and the neck. Doing this move regularly is going to give you that defined, snatched effect to that jawline. I'm going to start by taking the Gua Sha tool and this part just here, which is point 1 of the tool. This is the Cupid's bow, this indentation. We're now going to take that 3 times on your first side. So again, taking the groove of the tool to the chin. We're going to glide with slightly medium pressure all the way up towards the ear, taking it behind and down. 2 more times. You want to place your tool on a slight angle as you do this. To the ear, take it down. That nice medium pressure is going to give you that nice sculpt. Look across the jawline, taking it down that neck to reduce any puffiness. We're now going to take that to the other side. For our next move, we're going to work the mid-face and the cheek area. For this movement, we're going to use side 2 of the tool, which is the bottom part of the lips just here. Starting in your first hand, you're going to take that tool on that slight angle to the corner of your nose. Glide that tool with a medium pressure up towards the ear, and then take some little circular motions at the top. We're now going to repeat that movement 3 times on our first side, taking that tool up to the corner of the nose, that medium pressure with that tool on that slight angle, glide it up for 1, take those circular motions, 2 more times. This is going to help give the effect of that glowing, lifted face. We're now going to take that movement 3 times on the other side. For this next movement, we're going to use the third part of the tool, which is this edge just here. Starting on your first side, you're going to take that tool on the angle to the center of the forehead. We're going to glide that tool out towards the temple and then take those little circular motions up and away from the face. Now we have that move down, we're going to repeat that 3 times on this side. This movement is going to be fantastic to giving you that smoother, sculpted and depuffed look in the upper face area. We're going to get that healthy glow from doing this movement over time. 1 more time on this side. We're now going to take this move again on the other side. For this movement, we're going to go back to using the groove of the tool just here and place it to the corner of the nose just underneath the eye. Using that lighter pressure with that tool on that slight angle, you're going to glide the tool up towards the temple and then again take those circular motions out and up. We're now going to repeat this movement 3 times. This movement is going to help reduce the look of under-eye puffiness, dark circles, and any dullness under the eye. 1 more time on this side, that lighter pressure on that angle, sweep it up. Those circular motions at that temple, which again should feel nice and relaxing. We're now going to take this movement on the other side. For our next movement, we're going to work on the brow area. This is going to be fantastic to soften the look of fine lines in this area, lift the look of the brow, and open up the eyes. We're going to start off by using this corner of the tool just here, and the tip. We're going to take the tip of that tool to the corner of the brow. Applying a nice pressure, glide that tool through the brow, out towards the temple. When you arrive at the temple, take those little circular motions up and out like so. This should feel really releasing. Let's take that movement 3 more times on this side. Again, starting at the corner of the brow, lift up, and out. Little circular motions. And again. This movement should be fantastic for giving you that look of a lifted upper face area. We're now going to take that movement over to the other side. For this movement, we're going to use the groove of that tool once again. We're going to take that tool in both hands. We're going to apply pressure by placing the tool in and up, nestling it into the corners of the brows. Take a nice deep breath, and as you exhale, press that tool into that space as you release. Let's take that movement 3 more times. Tool comes up between the brows. Remember to breathe as you release and press that tool into that space. This movement should feel lovely and releasing. One more time, deep breath, and release. Last but not least, this final movement is going to give us that lifted looking, glowing complexion. You're going to start by taking the side of the tool to the center of your forehead. With that nice light pressure, glide that tool all the way out to the ear. Take it behind the ear and then follow the groove of your neck down towards the collarbone with that light pressure. Let's do this 3 more times. This move is fantastic for giving you that glowing looking complexion. Let's take this on the other side. And there you have it, Charlotte's ultimate sculpting gua sha routine. For best results, I recommend doing this routine a couple of times a week. And remember, you can always come back to this video to perfect your movements at any time.